Do you want to know how you can log into your Jounce AI account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Jounce AI account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Jounce AI login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Jounce AI. Now, you can continue using your Gmail, Microsoft, or Facebook account. If you are not a member and want to create a Jounce AI account, go ahead and click Create Account. Or else you can just continue with Google, Microsoft, or Facebook, whichever seems easy for you. So go ahead and choose one. If you choose Google, this page will open up where you can log into your Jounce.ai account after you choose your Gmail. So choose your Gmail and then press continue. In a while, you can notice that you will be signed into your Jounce.ai account using your Gmail. So go ahead and write down your company name, the website, press continue, write down the step, and you can choose the theme from here as well, press continue, and now you can start using Jounce.ai to create templates, documents, art, and charts and chats. So this was a video on how you can log into your Jounce AI account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.